my name is Mike, and I had some shoulder surgery and actual bicep put back on. I am a recipient of this wonderful app that has been produced for follow up after surgeries, physical therapy. I don't know every aspect of what it does, I just know what it did for me. I elected to have surgery out of state, so I took advantage of this remote patient monitoring program. And this PT Genie was amazing for me, mainly because you have life and physical therapy and scheduling. I did do some physical therapy live with a local physical therapist. But what I did on a daily basis was with this PT Genie. And I was assigned an athletic trainer, and it was a phenomenal person that helped me out. I would meet with them once a week, and they would check on my progress and see how I was doing. And if I had any questions, they would answer each and every one of them. Through this exercise program, they would monitor. It actually, part of the program at the end had a set of exercises that would actually trace how how your progression was. And I think they based that off of your mobility and some of your strength, but it would allow my athletic trainer to reassign the next week different exercises. So they were allowing me to progress as my body was ready. It was a huge tool in my recovery. Um, as soon as I graduated, I guess you would say, or successfully got as far as I needed to, I actually went on vacation and did some water sports, some kayaking, and some fly fishing, which I was very scared of because everything was new, and I was very nervous about that. But my athletic trainer actually spoke with me and did some homework and dug into if it would be okay if I was that far along. And we agreed, and I absolutely had no issues whatsoever. So the amount of personal aspect of the one-on-one that you get from an app, I've never had before. And with this system and the program that they have, they make it accessible for um, people that are local to their doctors or people that are out of state, as I was. And I never felt like I was forgotten about or ever treated different because I'm an out of stater, and it's more work. So I would definitely highly recommend that. And I'm also wanting to tell you that for me physically, I knew I was having surgery, and the doctors and the athletic trainer that I had told me that you're not going to be able to do the things you did. You're not going to be able to have the strength that you have to do your everyday things, and you don't really think about it until it's actually happened to you. And then the minute things that was getting to me um, really affected me, maybe a little bit more than I thought would, mentally. Just simple things as opening up toothpaste and opening up a new deodorant. I just, you have one arm, and uh, the supporting staff that I had was just amazing on that. So not only did they physically make sure that my therapy was going and being on track, but they mentally reached out and helped. So hands down, I just think this is a phenomenal app. I would highly recommend it to anybody. And you can go at your pace. And since I have graduated through the course, I am now doing the extended program, which is elected, and it's a group of exercises. They give you directions on how to do any and everything and how far to go. And you can go back through your notes, and if there's anything that these people are here to help. And this is a program that again, I would recommend to anybody, no matter where you lived, however old you are. They will make sure that you do the things that you are supposed to do and do them correctly. And one thing that I do remember most probably about my surgeon is he told me a successful surgery is no more pain and 100% um, mobility. And I absolutely, hands down, have that. I'm not 100% at the strength that I was, but I know it's coming. And I just appreciate the staff and the supporting staff of all of the remote patient monitoring program. I thank you.